the EHKC experiment was never meant to succeed. The hollowed souls present on that wretched day may never know rest. 67 brave scientists gave their lives to further scientific discovery in ways never imagined. This is their story, and the story of how the reverberations of their tale are felt today.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Wolf, and welcome to today's lab session. We are going to be tackling one of science's most dangerous experiments ever. This is the egg, ham, ketchup, cheese, egg, ketchup, cheese, ketchup experiment. Now, we have followed every precautionary measure. Wow! And we have the lab ready to undertake this exciting endeavor. Now, let's get to the vitals and take some measurements before we can crack this thing wide open.
Don't you ever mess this step up. You never want to do that.
One of the first steps is to take your encapsulator and make an incision in the eggnoceum. Now, this chemical has a strong reaction when utilized with this tool, causing it to face an interesting hue. Now, this compound has many scientific purposes on its own, but the danger and excitement of this experiment is when you add egg, ham, ketchup, cheese, milk and tracerium to the egg, ham, ketchup, cheese, making a new compound. Observe. Oh, see? Yep, we're already getting a reaction. Wow! The volatility of the mix is causing for a frankly delightful surprise. This hue indicates the scrumptiality of this particular affect. Now, in order to reach the desired result of this experiment, you just need a splash of quercetin. Now, too much of the...
Now hold on just a second. If this was Tiny's on day, why in the bloody hell is he doing back?
Take your scalpulator and increase rotational force. This mixture is looking quite scientific. Now that we have a newly made compound C67, we are ready to move on to the next steps. Now, for our viewers at home, you may not know that this next step aspects. So, I must warn you, that could have been bad. As I previously stated, this step is not for the faint of heart.
It's me, Professor Daffy. I'm so excited for you all to see this part. I might just jelk it. It makes me just lose my marbles with excitement.
One of the most difficult aspects is triangulating this mixture down to its most finite detail. Now we have two reactionary compounds that do not play well together if even a slight mistake is made. That was close.
Good afternoon, guys. It's me, Professor Pringle. I am so sorry for what just happened. Before I reset the universe back to before the error occurred, let me show you this. Hey, really funny video. Ooh, G-O-D. Have a good night.
Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it crackin' in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, get the work in that back. Girl, shake that thing, you work that thing. Let me see it go up and down.
Study, football, man. Tough life. Don't let me ad-libs. Don't let me ad-libs.
That could have been bad. Now, emulsify. That's bad. Don't do that. That's a metal nonstick. We are so close. Yes. Just like that. I am so shaky. The browning of the ham indicates that the experiment is going according to plan. Everything appears to be stabilizing.
Dr. Derek Don Dubentime here. I know you want to eat that, but you cannot. You cannot. This is what happens when you try to mess with the JustChumps. All right, y'all. See you at Christmas.